Subscribe to Rirava's kitchen and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, welcome to Rirava's kitchen with yet another easy and quick to make snack, Dahi Fulki. So let's check the ingredients that we need to make Dahi Fulki. First we'll prepare a red chutney. For that we'll take in a mixer jar few garlic cloves. This is optional. If you want to add garlic, you can add garlic. Then half teaspoon of jeera. Then few red chilies. Now this I'll just break it and then add it. Add little water and now we are going to grind this to a fine paste. Our red chutney paste is ready. So we'll keep this aside. Now we are going to make the dahi for the fulkis. So take a bowl. To this add up around 1 cup of curd. I have taken the measuring cup. So this is around 10 tablespoons of thick curd. Add some salt to it. Then we'll add this paste. So I'm taking around 1 tablespoon of the paste. We'll add water. So the same measuring cup I'm using. So I'm adding around 1.5 cup of water. Now give this a nice mix. Now dahi for the fulki is ready. To this dahi we are going to add the fulki. The fulkis will soak the curd, so always ensure that you keep some part of the curd separate so that just before serving you can add little more curd to it. So now we'll keep this dahi inside the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we'll make the batter for the fulki. So in a bowl take half cup of besan. This is around 8 tablespoons. We'll add 1/4 teaspoon of eating soda, little salt, add half teaspoon of the red chutney that we had prepared. Now combine all these well, add little water and give this a nice mix. So the batter should be in a dropping consistency. Now beat the batter well so that the batter becomes a little fluffy. Our batter is ready. Now we are going to fry this. To this besan batter, we'll just add a little oil and then mix it. Now our oil is hot, so we'll make small fulkis. Now let the fulkis turn golden in color. This dahi fulki is very easy to make and quick to make. Suppose if you have a sudden guest, instead of dahi vada, you can prepare this dahi fulki and serve them. If you don't like garlic, you can just make a red chilli and jeera paste and mix with the dahi and also with the besan batter. Here our fulkis are nice golden in color, so we'll remove it on a kitchen towel. Our fulkis are ready. We'll switch off the flame. Now we are going to add this to the dahi mixture what we have prepared. Here to this dahi mix we are going to add some tadka. So take little jeera, add it to hot oil and pour this jeera tadka to the dahi mix. I'll give this a nice mix. Now we'll remove some dahi mix and keep it aside so that if the fulki becomes thick, then we can add a little mix to this. Now to this dahi mix we are going to add the fulkis. Now let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's check our fulki. Dahi mixture has soaked well, so let's serve this. Now to serve, we'll take a bowl or a plate. We'll add these fulkis along with the curd. I have taken few sliced onion, thin sliced onion. I'll add little salt to this. We'll loosen the slices, garnish it on top. few finely chopped green chilies, little bit of red chili powder, little bit of roasted jeera powder. Sprinkle few coriander leaves. Our yummy Dahi Fulki is ready to be served.